Hello, everybody. Welcome to our webinar on AI Enterprise Resource Planning. This is a webinar by Kictronic Limited. First of all, I want to apologize for the delay that we had. We just had some technical issues with LinkedIn. And today, what we're going to go through is the Q&As, which we'll be doing after. You can join the chat via our Zoom link, so you can get involved with some questions before, and you can also answer questions in the comment section on the LinkedIn page.
Okay.
I'm just going to run through some of our best practices from Kictronic Limited about health and safety advice before we start. Sit in a healthy way. Ensure that you are seated comfortably with your back supported and your feet flat on the floor. Adjust your chair and screen to avoid straining your neck and eyes. Know the emergency exits. Familiarize yourself with emergency exits in your location. Ensure your path to an exit is clear in case of emergency. Do not join the webinar if you are driving, for your safety and safety of others. Do not participate in the webinar while driving. Pull over to a safe location. Ensure your environment is safe and free from hazards that could cause injury or distraction. This is some information about us, Kictronic Limited. Kictronic Limited is a leading technology solutions provider specializing in innovation, enterprise resource planning, systems, and advanced artificial intelligence applications, digital transformation, blockchain, and cybersecurity. Our mission is to empower businesses by streamlining operations, enhancing data-driven decision-making, and fostering growth through cutting-edge technology. With a team of dedicated experts and commitment to excellence, Kictronic Limited tailored solutions that meet the unique needs of our clients. Our comprehensive suite of services includes system integration, custom software development, and ongoing support, ensuring that businesses can thrive in an increasingly digital world. Thank you, and I'll pass you over to Amal Nene, our CTO.
Welcome again, everyone. Thank you, Ruth, for this introduction. And also, I'd like to apologize again for the delay. We had some more issues where LinkedIn Live wouldn't connect, but we finally managed to fix it with some support from the tech team. Okay, without further ado, let's look into the introduction to AI, so artificial intelligence and enterprise resource planning. Let's start by going through the origin of the enterprise resource planning. So conceptually, the computing systems for inventory management and control. The 70s saw the emergence of material requirement planning systems, which evolved into MRP2 in the 1980s with added capabilities like production, scheduling, and inventory tracking. Okay, so let's look at the growth, right? Next, we look at the growth of ERP systems. In the 90s, ERP systems, as we know them today, began to take shape with the integration of core business processes into a single system. Key vendors emerged: SAP, Oracle, Microsoft Dynamics, and of course, Kictronic Limited. In terms of integration, ERP provided comprehensive solutions that integrated finance, HR, manufacturing, supply chain, and customer relationship management. And also improve process improvement. So ERP system improve efficiency, reduce cost, and enhance decision-making capabilities. So let's just touch a little bit more on integration. ERP provides comprehensive solutions that integrate finance, HR, manufacturing, supply chain, and customer relationship management. With MRP, we did not have all those different solutions working together. So the process was improved using ERP system, improved efficiency, reduced cost, and enhance decision-making capabilities. So we will discuss the latter in more information in the upcoming slides. So the significance of ERP in business can be summarized as ERP system revolutionized business operation by providing a unified and real-time view of business processes. ERP also improve efficiency, reduce operational costs, and enhance decision-making capabilities by ensuring data consistency and accuracy. Okay, so let's look at some of the major milestones in ERP development. We already discussed the 1970s, the introduction of MRP system. In the 80s, the evolution to MRP2 with more advanced functionalities. The 90s saw the birth of modern ERP systems, integration of various business models. In 2000, web-based ERP system emerged, allowing remote access and real-time collaboration. The 2010s, this is where everything was moving to cloud. So cloud-based ERP system became popular, offering scalability, flexibility, and reduced IT overhead. So the 90s, we saw proliferation of cloud-based ERP system delivered as software as a service, which democratized the use of ERP by making it available to larger business audience. Now we're seeing the introduction of artificial intelligence and machine learning into enterprise resource planning systems, enhancing automation, predictive analytics, and personalization. So let's look at how AI is being used today in modern business. Before we jump into the use of AI, let's put some groundwork in place. So definition, what is AI in ERP today? So artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines designed to think and learn like humans. In ERP systems, AI is used to automate, enhance, and optimize various business processes. The scope of AI in ERP encompasses various technologies such as machine learning, natural language processing, and robotic process automation to improve efficiency, accuracy, and decision-making. You can already see a theme here where we discuss improve efficiency, accuracy, and decision-making. Let's go through the current overview of AI technologies. Machine learning. So we know that machine learning uses algorithms to identify patterns in data and make predictions or decisions without expertise programming. Such application in ERP will be predictive analytics, demand forecasting, and anomaly detection. So looking at natural language processing enables machine to understand, interpret, and respond to human language. And we can see those applications in ERP through the use of chatbots for customer service, sentiment analysis, and automated report generation. With robotic process automation, RPA uses software robots to automate repetitive tasks typically performed by humans. And some of those tasks are data entry, invoice processing, and routine data management tasks. Okay, so let's look at the current trends in AI adoption and ERP systems. AI-powered analytics. Enhanced data analytics using AI to uncover deeper insights, trends, and predictive analytics for strategic decision-making. We also have cloud-based AI solution, increasing adoption of cloud-based ERP systems that integrate AI capabilities, providing scalability and flexibility. Personalization, which is a very important aspect of our ERP. AI-driven personalization in ERP systems to tailor user experiences, marketing strategies, and customer interaction. And with intelligent automation, advanced automation using AI and RPA to streamline workflows, reduce manual intervention, and improve process efficiency. So next, let's look at the impact of AI on business operation and decision-making. So operational efficiency, where AI automates routine and repetitive tasks, freeing up human resources for more strategic activities. We can see that through real-time data processing and analysis improve operational efficiency and reduce errors. So if you can reduce repetitive tasks by freeing up human resources, It also reduces the chances of having errors, so human errors. Enhanced decision making. So AI provides actionable insight through predictive analytics, helping businesses make informed decisions. And we can see that through the use of data-driven decision making based on AI analytics, reduce risk and increases agility. Right. So with customer experience, AI enhances customer interaction through personalized recommendations, chatbots, and improved service delivery. Predictive analytics helps in anticipating customer needs and improve satisfaction. So predictive analytics will help with customer experience. Innovation and competitiveness. AI drives innovation by enabling businesses to explore new business models and markets or opportunities. So staying competitive in the market through AI-driven insight and proactive strategies will help with innovation and competitiveness. Automating routine tasks. Example of routine tasks, as we previously mentioned, are data entry, invoice processing, and document verification. We also have benefits of automation, which are cost saving through reduced labor hours and increased productivity. If we have to look at the some actual examples, so practical examples, such as report generation, scheduling and notification, inventory management, order processing, and supply chain coordination. Those are routine tasks. Benefit of automation, we mentioned the cost savings through reduced labor hours and increased productivity. Also improve accuracy. Automation improves accuracy and consistency in task execution. So faster turnaround times and streamlined workflows. Enhancing data accuracy and decision-making through AI-driven efficiency. So the role of AI in data accuracy. AI algorithms identify and correct errors in data entry, ensuring data integrity, real-time data validation, and cleansing improved accuracy of reports and analytics. Impact insight enable data-driven decision-making by providing accurate and timely information. Predictive analytics forecast future trends, helping businesses anticipate demand, optimize resources, and mitigate risks. So let's look at predictive analytics and market trends. Let's try predictive analytics and market trends, and mostly deals with forecasting using AI. So companies use AI for forecasting, can stay ahead of the market trends and respond quickly to changes, giving them a competitive edge. With predictive analytics, now it's very important to define the importance in the business strategy. So the predictive analytics has to be aligned with the business strategy. AI techniques such as regression analysis, time series forecasting, and machine learning algorithm for predictive modeling. Forecasting market trends, anticipating demand fluctuations, market shifts, and consumer behavior changes using AI-driven insights. Application of supply chain management, inventory optimization, and pricing strategies. And it's very important to stay ahead of competition using AI. So we have the competitive advantage, leveraging AI for early identification of market trends and competitor movements, such as proactive decision-making and agile strategies to outmaneuver competitors. Considering some of the tools and techniques, AI-powered competitive analysis tools for market intelligence, strategies for continuous monitoring of market dynamics and adapting business strategies accordingly. Okay, that was some nice little animation there. All right, so personalization and customer experience, tailoring services with AI and building customer loyalty. Let's talk about loyalty programs. So AI algorithms for identifying loyal customers, predicting churn, and offering personalized incentives. Building long-term relationships and fostering brand advocacy through tailored loyalty. Enhance customer service, AI-driven chatbots, and virtual assistant for round-the-clock customer support. Improving response times, resolving queries, and providing personalized assistance. Customer relationship management, AI-powered CRM systems for customer segmentation, scoring, and personalized communication, enhancing customer engagement and satisfaction through targeted interaction. Understanding customer needs, utilizing AI algorithms to analyze customer data and preferences, personalizing product recommendation, and marketing messages and services offering. Okay, so I want to go into more detail around that, around the personalization of customer experience. So customers' recommendation, AI algorithm analyze customer data such as purchase history and browsing behavior to provide personalized product or content recommendation. So let's take an example using Netflix. So Netflix uses AI to recommend movies and TV shows based on users' viewing history, preferences, and ratings. So depending on your viewing history, your preferences, and your rating, Netflix will recommend you new shows. This enhances user engagement and satisfaction by offering content that is more likely to be of interest. Dynamic pricing, where AI system adjusts prices in real time based on demand, competition, customer behavior, and other factors to offer personalized pricing. The best example for this will be Amazon. Amazon employs AI-driven dynamic pricing to adjust product prices based on real-time data. This strategy helps maximize sales and profitability while offering competitive prices to customers. We touched on personalized marketing, such as loyalty programs. With personalized marketing, AI helps create targeted marketing campaigns based by analyzing customer data to identify preferences, behaviors, and demographics. One of the examples here that I'd like to use is Spotify. So Spotify uses AI to create personalized playlists and recommend songs to users based on their listening habits. The Discover Weekly and Daily Mix playlists are tailored to each user's unique taste in music. And in terms of customer support, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants provide personalized customer service by understanding and responding to individual customer queries and preferences. Let's use the example of our Bank of America. So Bank of America offers an AI-driven virtual assistant named Erica, which provides personalized financial advice, helps with transactions, and answers customer inquiries based on their banking history and behavior. So you can also use AI for product customization. AI enables businesses to offer customizable products that meet individual customers' specification and preferences. So Nike, for this example, Nike uses AI in the Nike Buy Your service, allowing customers to design and customize their own sneakers. AI helps suggest design options based on user preferences and trending styles. So we do understand the benefit of personalization of customer experience, but just let's briefly touch on them. Enhance customer satisfaction, which is one of the main benefits, where personalization creates a more engaging and relevant experience for customers, increasing their satisfaction and loyalty. We can also look at increased sales and conversion rates. Tailored recommendation and offers can lead to higher conversion rates and sales. Improve customer retention. Personalized experiences help build stronger relationships with customers, encouraging repeat business. Okay, let's look at some of the integration and implementation. So similarly, how do we integrate AI into existing ERP systems? So AI Quick Training uses 3 phases. Some can use 5. So the first phase is assessment phase, evaluating current ERP infrastructure, processes, and data readiness for integration, identifying areas where AI can add value and drive improvements. A planning and strategy phase, developing a roadmap for AI integration, including goals, timelines, and resource allocation. Collaboration between IT is very important and business stakeholders, so it's not just IT-driven, but also collaborating with our business stakeholders and bringing in some AI experts to align strategies with business objectives. With the execution and integration, implementing AI solution in phases, starting with pilot projects and scaling up gradually. Ensuring compatibility, data integrity, and security during integration. We meet some challenges while going through implementation. So overcoming some of the common challenges, data silos and quality, addressing data fragmentation and ensuring data consistency across systems, implementing data governance policies and data cleansing strategies. Bad data will lead to bad AI. So data cleansing is very, very important, very paramount in order to have a very efficient working AI platform. We also experience resistance to change, as with any technologies. There's always some resistance. So change management strategies to overcome resistance from employees and stakeholders. Provide some training programs to upskill employees and build confidence in AI-driven processes. Lack of expertise. So the lack of expertise probably in-house, and you may have to bring in some consultant. So it is quite important to partner with AI vendors, consultants, or hiring AI experts to fill the gaps, the skill gaps. Investing in continuous learning and development to build in-house AI capabilities. Okay, and this was the first section of the webinar, and now we'll take you through a case study that we worked on with one of our clients. Due to contractual restrictions, the name of the company was changed. So we changed the name of the company, but we will try to provide enough information for you to also take that case study away and apply it to your own organization. So we seamlessly incorporated AI into an existing ERP system. We do understand that many companies will already have ERP systems in place. So this company, we changed the name to ZR Manufacturing, is in the manufacturing industry. So first of all, ZR Manufacturing faced several operational challenges that hindered efficiency and productivity. The existing ERP system, while robust, lacked advanced analytics and automation capabilities. The company wanted to leverage AI to enhance decision-making, optimize inventory management, and improve production planning without disrupting the current operation. So it was very important that there were no disruptions, so zero disruption to the current operation. But at the same time, leveraging AI to enhance decision-making, optimize inventory management, and improve production planning. As I mentioned, without disrupting the current operation. So ZR Manufacturing partnered with Click Limited to integrate AI capabilities into the existing ERP system. The integration focused on three main areas. First, predictive maintenance. AI algorithms were embedded within the ERP system to analyze machine data and predict potential failures. This enabled proactive maintenance scheduling, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Then looking into the demand forecasting, advanced AI models were integrated to analyze historical sales data, market trends, and external factors. So it's very important to have good data, clean data, so that we can provide integrated analytic functionalities here. So this improved accuracy of demand forecast, allowing for better production planning and inventory management. Supply chain optimization. AI-powered tools were used to analyze supply performance, lead times, and logistics data. This optimization helped ZR Manufacturing streamline the supply chain, reducing costs and improving delivery times. The implementation steps included the following. First, assessment and planning. We conducted a thorough assessment of the existing ERP system to identify integration points and required modifications. A detailed implementation plan was developed, ensuring minimal disruption to ongoing operations. Data integration. Data from various sources within the ERP system were consolidated and cleaned. AI models were trained using historical data to ensure accurate predictions and recommendations. System integration. AI algorithms and models were integrated into the ERP system using APIs and custom models. The system was thoroughly tested to ensure compatibility and performance. User training. Employees were trained on the new AI-powered features and functionalities. Training session focused on how to integrate AI-generated insights and use them for decision-making. But let's not forget monitoring and optimization, because once we've gone through all the 4 steps, we still have to monitor and optimize the platform. So post-implementation, the system was closely monitored to ensure optimal performance. Feedback from users was gathered to make necessary adjustments and improvements. Results and conclusion: improve efficiency. So we had the integration of AI into the ERP system resulted in a significant reduction in machine downtime, improve production planning, and optimize inventory levels. We saw some cost saving, so predictive maintenance and supply chain optimization contributed to substantial cost savings in maintenance and inventory holding and logistics. Enhanced decision making, real-time AI insights enable managers to make informed decisions, leading to better resource allocation and increased productivity. Increased competitiveness, the enhanced capabilities of the ERP system positions ZR Manufacturing as a leader in the industry, able to quickly adapt to market changes and customer demands. In conclusion, the case study, AI seamlessly incorporating AI into ZR Manufacturing existing ERP system, transform the operations, providing tangible benefits and a competitive edge. This case study demonstrates the potential of AI to enhance traditional ERP systems and drive business success. There's just one more, a previous slide that I would like to go back to and provide some examples there. Okay. Because AI is really around predictive analysis, okay, and market trends. We want to make sure that the data is useful to the business, and ERP is kind of housing all that data. So when focusing with AI, now it's very important to understand enhanced accuracy. So focusing with AI, you need to enhance accuracy. AI-driven forecasting models analyze vast amount of historical data and identify patterns that traditional methods might miss. This leads to more accurate and reliable prediction. Real-time insights, AI system can process data in real time, allowing businesses to quickly respond to market changes and make timely decisions. And I'll come back to this slide because I think it's very important that we go through some of the example, real-world example. Walmart, which is the world's largest retailer, Walmart uses AI for demand forecasting. Walmart uses AI to forecast demand for various products in the stores. By analyzing historical sales data, seasonal trends, and external factors such as weather and economic conditions, AI models predict future product demand with high accuracy. Walmart also used AI for stock optimization. These AI-driven forecasts help Walmart optimize their inventory levels, ensuring that popular items are always in stock while minimizing excess inventory. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also reduces storage cost and waste. So it's very important to reduce waste, things like just-in-time inventory that your ERP should be supporting. Now with AI, you can also take that to another level where you can reduce storage cost and waste. Promotional planning. So AI forecasts assist Walmart in planning promotions and sales events by predicting which products are likely to be in high demand during specific periods. They can strategically plan the marketing efforts and stock levels to maximize sales and profitability. Okay, so using Walmart as a case study here, we can understand some of the benefits of predictive analysis. Two of the benefits, so improve efficiency, accurate demand forecast led to better inventory management and reduce stockouts or overstock situation. Cost saving, by optimizing stock levels, companies can reduce carrying costs and minimize waste. Competitive advantage, companies using AI for forecasting can stay ahead of the market trends and respond quickly to changes, giving them a competitive advantage. Okay, so thank you again for this, and apologies for the delay in starting the event. And now, if you do have any questions, feel free to put it into the chat, and we will do everything to answer them. So just to summarize quickly, We touch on points such as the transformative power of AI in ERP systems, its impact on efficiency, decision-making, market trends, and customer experience. If you do want to discuss some of your own use case in one-to-one, feel free to get in touch with us. But do leverage AI technologies in your ERP system to drive innovation, growth, and competitive advantage. Thank you. If you do have any question, this is the time. You can put your question in the chat and we try to answer them.
Hello, everybody. I've got some messages that was put into our chat. And the first one that I'm going to read out is, can your ERP work with our existing systems? I think this is about integration.
So one of the services that Kicktronic provide is that we also have our own enterprise resource planning platform that we do sell to our companies. But our ERP is very customizable, flexible, has extension points and integration points to integrate into existing systems and also future-proof. So yes, you can integrate into our existing systems and you will be able to integrate into your ERP system if it's already in place. And our AI models are very flexible as well, very customizable, and also provide real-time data insights.
Thank you. Okay. The next question was, what does your ERP do to reduce or mitigate risks?
Okay, so ERP platform, as anybody knows, that with ERP, we also have our just-in-time inventory, which is to reduce waste, storage, and stockage. You do not want to stock items that are not selling or that's like selling too slow because of maybe changing seasonal. But we also have the artificial intelligence models in the background, which is trained on historical data, which can be trained on your own historical data and making recommendations as to when to order more, which will be help you reduce and mitigate some of the risks that you may encounter. Yep.
Okay, thank you. And I have another one, sorry. Does the ERP support and drive growth?
The ERP helps running your processes. So you help your organization run the processes. And the AI models are there to support growth. So with the predictive analysis, the training and insights from your own data, your historical data, your transactions, based on that, recommendation can be made to help with growth and marketing, as we discussed in some of the case studies. Okay?
Yep, thank you.
Any other questions from anybody else? The floor is open. And if there's no more questions, then I will say thank you all for attending this, and apologies for the slow starts, I would say. Technology problems as always. Feel free to check out kicktronic.com. And if you do want to have one-to-ones around how to improve your ERP by integrating artificial intelligence, do reach out directly to me on LinkedIn or go through kicktronic.com, and one of our AI experts will get in touch with you. Okay, so thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining.